Welcome back to SQL Made Simple. In today's lesson, which is day 20, we are going to learn the difference between union and union all using our new database called SQL Union DB. So please head over to bit.ly/SQL Made Simple and you should find the script to create the database for this lesson. And by the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand what union does, what union all does, the key difference between them, and how to use them in real world queries. So unlike joins, which combine data horizontally, which is by matching rows across table, union combines data vertically, stacking rows from multiple queries together into one result set. This is especially useful when you want to merge results from two different tables or you are running two queries with the same column structure and want a single combined output. So let's take a look at the syntax and key rules that we need to adhere to. So you can select column 1, column 2 from, let's say, a table A. Then you use the union, select column 1 or column 2 from table B. So once you do this, you get a result. But the rules you must consider, which is very important, is the number of columns in both queries must be the same. So if you have 4 columns or 4 fields in table A, you should have the same number of columns in table B. And the data types of the columns must be compatible. Okay. So what do you mean by the data type? We can have an integer, okay, or a varchar. So you need to make sure the data type is compatible. So once you've adhered to these rules, then you shouldn't have issues with union and union all. So union, we say, combines results and removes duplicate. So once you do a union, it combines them, but if there are duplicates, it will be removed. So it shows you the unique values. A union all combines results and keeps a duplicate. So please bear that in mind. And think of it like this. Union, give me a unique list. Union all, show me everything, even repeat. I believe that makes sense. Okay, so for us to better understand this, let's get our hands dirty by heading over to our system. Okay, so within our SQL Union DB, if you don't have it, please go to bit.ly/SQL Made Simple. Go to that shared Google Drive, download it and run it. Okay, make a new query, paste it, and execute. Okay, so let's take a look at our tables. We have customers in the UK and customers in what? USA. Okay, so now let's take a look at our data set. Select star from customers in UK. Then I'll do another select star from customers in USA. Okay, now let's execute. So you have customer ID, first name, last name, and city. So the number of columns are the same. We have 4 columns. The data type for customer ID is the same. Same for first name, last name, and city. So at least we are adhering to the rules. So what happens here if we use the union? Okay. And we said the union combines the results from both tables, but it automatically removes what? Duplicate. So let's see. Union. So we have John Smith, and we also have another John Smith. Okay, Emily. Okay, so let's see. Let me remove this. Now let's run our query. Okay, so we have John Smith, Sophia, Olivia, Emma, David, Alice, John, Emily. Smith, John Smith. So you see, good. So it combines everything. So that is our result. And if you look at it, John Smith, we have one John Smith in New York, one John Smith in what? Newcastle. You have one from Chicago, Alice Brown. So they are entirely, different people. That's how come you see John Smith here and John Smith there. But if it happened that they were all from New York, then we definitely have removed this John Smith from the list. Okay? So that is for union. Let's look at Bob. Do we have Bob? Okay, let me remove the union. Let me run it again. Let's take a look at it. Okay, Olivia, Sophia, John, Emily, John, Alice, David Wilson, Emma Taylor. Okay, so that's our union. I thought maybe we had um, a name or a role which were identical, but unfortunately we don't have. So that's about that for union. I'll execute. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All done. Now let's look at union or, and I'm sure we're going to get the same result. Okay, execute. So what's happening here? So we have the customers in the UK and the customers in the USA. So that's what we are getting for union all. So we can do select customer name, okay, from customer UK. Not customer name. I'm looking at the first name because we don't have the first name from customer UK. Then we select the first name from customer USA. Now let's execute. And this is what we get. So union all, if we happen to have duplicates, then all the duplicates will be shown. Okay, so I'll need you to keep practicing on this. You've done a yeoman's job. Well done. So let's look at some practical scenarios. So imagine your company has two separate systems, one tracking staff members and another tracking client. You want one combined contact list. So use union if you want unique names, and use union all if you want to see exactly where duplicates exist. And our key takeaways here, union stacks results vertically and removes duplicate. And union all stacks result vertically but keeps duplicate. Always ensure queries return the same number of columns with compatible data type. So please do not forget that. So that's it for day 20. Now you know how union and union all work in SQL. If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with others learning SQL. Next up, we will dive into intersect and accept in day 21. Stay tuned.